Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Microsoft 365 developer account. In order to do that, you'll be going to the Microsoft developer program site. By pasting up this link on your browser, it takes you to the page and you can see this button join now. By clicking on join now, it should bring in a sign-in form. You could sign in with if you already have an existing account, you could sign in directly. You could create one. By clicking on create one, it brings you to create a new account. You could sign with your phone number, or you could, and if you don't have an existing email address, you could create an existing email address. But I have one, so I'm going to use my email address instead. So you could use any email address that you already have. I have a Gmail address which I'm going to make use of. And by creating that, you could also create a password. So I'm going to create my password. By signing in, it sends a confirmation code to my Gmail, which I'm going to pick up and paste. So you go to your Gmail, look for it and paste it. And by doing so, it creates an account.
Option 1.
Could concern quite however it is. Pass action to allow.
Option 2.
Artist, everyone's sport. We're so
So having done the verification, it should take me to the registration page where I can start the registration. So I put in Nigeria, what company? Accept terms, information. So what's your primary focus as a developer? I'm here in the solar market, custom solutions for my own customers, application for internal use and the company personal project. Okay, let's see, application for internal use. Okay, so here you're going to select what areas of 365 are you interested in. We show you resources, tools, training that help you get started. Well, I'll just select I'm interested in basically most of them. So let's select all. And then we come to this place. So I make use of the instance sandbox. So where your data center, where do you want your data center to be stored? Okay, maybe it's North America. I give myself an admin name. Create an admin password. So I confirm the password and continue. Country, phone number. So I'll need to put in the phone number. So let me enter a phone number. Okay. Alright, so it says something about phone number already in use. Let me use a different phone number. So I use this phone number. Okay, I think I've also used this one. I'll find another one. So a code has been sent and I'll have to impute it. Right. So we're setting up the developer account. So it's going to take a while for it to load up. Okay, right. Once the developer account is initialized completely, it generates a domain name for you. Right, you can see in my case it generates zsykr.online.microsoft.com. It issues you a renewable E5 subscription license, which is valid for 90 days. and after 90 days it expires and it can be renewed. It creates an administrator email address. It issues 9 user license and 16 fictitious users, which can also be changed when you sign into the account. So we can go to Office 365, office.com, and sign in. Now this brings you to your office environment, but you also need to note that while you are creating the developer account, initially you had to use your Gmail or whichever other mail to first create a Microsoft account. So a Microsoft account is actually different from a developer account. So right now we're signing to our Microsoft account, which was created, which enabled us to create our developer account. So I'm going to sign up from here, and then there's quite some difference between the Microsoft accounts. So the Microsoft account doesn't necessarily give you access to all the business application, such as Power Apps and Power BI, right? Doesn't give you access to that. So we're going to sign up from here. So we can sign in with so we'll be able to sign in with our developer account. So let me sign in with let's forget the account, so let me sign in. Just a moment. Sign out. Yeah, sign out with this. Okay, so we can head back to office.com. Okay, let's use it. So I'll just sign in afresh. So this is the email address which you're going to use to sign in. I already have it here, but just for those signing for the first time, paste it, then you put in the password which you did while you were creating your developer account. And then you can skip this, you can check this. And then it brings you to your office environment. So you can see it gives you access to more applications than your normal Office 365, your normal Office 365 account. So you can see it gives you access to Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI. Also gives you access to SharePoint, and then plus other applications which you had before, such as Teams, Word, and the likes. Right. So this is how you create your the Office developer account.